What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. We were here 2 days ago, had a chance to see some testing, a lot of it at night, and we're back again today for some day testing. Fingers crossed, we'll see. Ticket windows over here actually have a line. Turnstiles on the right are open, as well as the left. Pretty much all of them. We'll be right in. Nothing new to note over here at the rumored Universal Studio store. Moving on. Hello Lighthouse and hello Islands of Adventure. It's a little bit cooler today, somewhere in the mid-60s. I'm presuming a lot of the holiday crowds have gone home. We'll see how busy it is. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through temperature check, security, or through the front entrance. We're on our way. Alright, let's check out the wait times. Park is open until 8 p.m. Hulk right now is at 45 minutes. Kong is at 100 minutes. Fly of the Hippogriff, 40 minutes. 20 minutes for Dr. Doom. You can see some of the smaller attractions. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Seuss Trolley is at 55 minutes though. Kind of crazy. Jurassic Park River Adventure, 45. Forbidden Journey at 60 minutes. Yep, there's the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. We can see a crane in the air lifting something up. And the ride looks to be pretty quiet right now. But let's check out what they're lifting. Well, it looks like they were just lifting in some panels for the interior, and I can also see the Osprey at the top of the top hat, and there's a lift at the base fit, and the sole purpose, just to remove the nest. Another really nice thing, the port of entry music is back on. Osprey going back with another branch. We can now see some scaffolding up at the fence line behind Mythos. Operations employees are again in position. I don't know, maybe we'll see some testing. The Osprey is back with a very large branch. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we just saw a train launch. Who's ready for some daytime testing? I know I am. last update, we showed you these pieces of paper that were on the supports, and we weren't 100% sure what they were for. But thanks to you, the viewers, you informed us that it was for sighting, as in they use laser sights to make sure that the supports and foundations are not moving around. Well, that branch didn't make it to the top of the top hat. Looks like the equipment that was on the bridge is still there. Nothing new as far as work.
And then she's like, oh, you're happy.
Well, it was nice to see them do some daytime testing, and that was at about 3:50 for the last run. It's now 5:50, so 2 hours have passed and no test runs. Not sure if they're swapping out a train or what, but fingers crossed we'll see some more. Well, it looks like we found why they're not doing any test runs. There's a gentleman on the track right now by the brake run. And while I hate to say this, it looks like he's checking the track. Still checking the track, but he's making his way back towards the brake run.
They're testing. See the holy coach in their test run. There it goes! Oh, shoot, that's sweet. Oh, they're testing it. When does it open? Oh, are you trying to video it?
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
When are they testing the new ride? Yeah, they're just giving us a test run right now. See it? You Harry Potter ride? No, it's the new Jurassic Park ride. VelociCoaster.
Whoa! Is there people in there? No. It's got the wings on it.
He won't answer you.
Oh, this feels a bit weird. 2 days ago, Seuss Landing had all sorts of holiday decorations. Now, nothing. The only things that remain for Seuss Landing are these trees and a couple decorations right here. But that's it. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster, and exciting stuff as we had a chance to see some daytime testing with the front cover on. And then we had to wait 3 hours for another test run. And then they did like 7 or 8 back to back to back. But yes, they are doing tests and there's progress, and we're going to be back for more updates. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.